Yep, it has. I don't know if you'll be able to see it right now. We're gonna get around this right now. There's already a fire truck. We're gonna get on this highway up here. 100 East, coming outside of Henderson. Should be a great shot right here. Oh yes. Once we get up over this bridge here, we should be able to see it. This thing is well inflamed. We're going to get as close as we can up here. See if ambulance going down. That's not a good sign. Tornado warning. There it is. There's a tornado, y'all. Just got the warning now. This is what we came here to do. I gotta get a shot of this now. I gotta get a photograph of this. Man, this thing's a monster. Try not to look it like we're tailing the ambulance, but we're tailing the ambulance. Tornado warning. Yeah, I know, I get it. I see it. It's right there in front of me. Man, that thing's a beast. Alright, who said they wanted to see a tornado? Because there it is. Left Henderson, headed on 100 East. We'll get around this corner, we'll get a good visual of it. I hope someone's alright on this highway. That thing's a monster. Knew it was going to do something. Just didn't know what it was going to do, you know? I'm going to get 2 cameras going here. I got to get some for my personal stuff. Debris. Come on, ambulance, speed up, man. Telling the ambulance to speed up.